Alright, so I forgot to plug her in, and it is a cold night, so let's see how she does. Bad glow plugs and bad glow plug relay. Alright, let's stop it right there. Trying it again. Let it sit for a second, let the glow plugs try to warm up at least. Look at all that smoke. Gotta get those glow plugs fixed. Mispriming. Starts right up though. Not too bad. I'll let you guys hear it from the back. She usually sounds a lot more angrier during the cold starts.